Good morning, children. Now I am discuss you with the activity given in your science book. In activity, aim to understand the reversible and irreversible change. For this activity, we should require a sheet of paper. We should take a sheet of paper and fold it to form a toy aeroplane. Now, when we unfold this toy aeroplane, we will get exactly the same sheet of paper. Now you again fold it to make a boat, paper boat, as given in your book. When you open the paper boat, again the fold of paper is in same size. So folding of paper is a reversible change. In other words, we should say that change will occur during the folding of paper can be reversed. We take a sheet of paper again, and this time we cut the sheet of paper into two pieces with the help of scissors. Now we cannot combine the piece of paper to get back or exactly the original sheet of paper. So cutting of paper is a irreversible change. In other words, we say that changing which occurred during cutting of paper cannot be reversed. So I think you understand the reversible and irreversible change. Now I am going to discuss with you the physical and chemical change. Physical change are those in which the property of substance before and after the change remains same. As for example, drying of cloth. When we put the cloth outside for drying, the cloth dry after some time, but the material of cloth remains same. So it is a physical change. In physical change, no new substance is formed. In other words, we say that physical change are reversible in nature. Some common example of physical change are freezing of ice, folding of paper, rolling of kneaded flour to make chapati, making of toy of clay, inflating of balloon, stretching of rubber band, etc. Raising of temperature in the thermometer when for check the temperature of our body. Most of the case, the physical change is reversible in nature. In some of the case, physical change cannot be reversed to its original substance, such as when we tear a paper into a small piece, the breaking of glass, cutting of wood block into small pieces, and cutting of cloth are irreversible change, or it cannot be reversed. Now, chemical change. Chemical change are those in which a new substance is formed. In the chemical change are generally irreversible in nature. As for example, when we burn a piece of paper, it turns into ashes. The ashes thus formed cannot be reversed back to make a paper. Similarly, burning of food, digestion of food, ripening of fruits, blooming of flower, cooking of food, rusting of iron articles, spoiling of food are the common example of physical change. Children, you know the burning of candle is both physical as well as chemical change, because when candle burn it melt, and due to burning of candle the ashes is formed, smoke is released. So when it melt, it cool down and again form a wax. So it is both a chemical and physical change. Now do the checkpoint in your classwork, and after some time I sending you the answer. In next class I explain you the expansion and contraction. Thank you and have a nice day.